Hello and welcome to Kathleen's Place. I'm glad that you were able to join me today. We just finished traveling 5 hours, my daughter and son and I, and we were going to show our mobile, but I think we were trying to decide whether we're going to sell it as is or renovate it and sell it, and I think what we have decided to do is renovate it and sell it. What I'm going to be talking about today is how my CFS is holding up through packing. As I mentioned, that there are changes happening and I'm going to be moving, so I have to do packing and cleaning in my house. My son has been a great help in that, and right now I'm quite tired from doing that and from our trip. Sorry if the lighting isn't perfect, but I'm just using what I have in the hotel. And so we decided to just make a night of it anyhow. I just needed to get away from the city and have a little bit of away time, and it's good. So yeah, I will let you know how my trip to the doctor went and all that kind of stuff. So for those of you who don't know, if it's your first time here, CFS is chronic fatigue syndrome. And I'm trying to spread a little bit of awareness about CFS because not a lot of people know about it. And it used to be looked at as it was something that was just in the brain. But even when I'm not going through my episodes, or I don't think about having the illness, and I will end up crashing, which is what happened to me this last time. So my trip to the doctor yesterday, maybe it was 2 days ago, I don't remember. Anyhow, by the time you get this, it will have been, well, I'm going to try to upload it today, I'm not sure. Anyhow, just get on with things. So as I was talking to my doctor, so far he says everything is fine, but I didn't have my blood work done before that, so we have to do my blood work, get that done. I did tell him that I tried going back to the office for half a day, 3 different times, and each time I could last less. So he said he doesn't think I should be back in the office working. So I told my husband and my son-in-law that the doctor said I shouldn't be back working in the office. So I'm still doing payroll and paying invoices and all that kind of stuff, the financial end of things, but not bookkeeping. My assistant will be doing that. And then the others will work on estimates. So far that's all. And he said everything else looks fine, so that's good. So yesterday, I slept until about 11 o'clock. And then I usually do that, and then I rest a little bit, eat breakfast, make the dogs food. I think maybe I'd gotten up earlier to make the dogs food, and then I went back to bed, if I remember correctly. And then, yeah, I packed and cleaned for a while, and I'm doing my pacing, like I had said in one of my other videos. It's very important to pace. So I would clean the kitchen, and then I'd sit down and clean a good portion of the kitchen for maybe 15-20 minutes, and then I'd sit down, take a break, and then for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'd go and do some more of the kitchen, maybe finish it, take another break for 15-20 minutes. And so basically what I can handle doing is working for 15-20 minutes and taking a break for 15-20 minutes, which has changed because when I first realized that I was crashing with the CFS symptoms, this was back in July. I had been crashing for a while, and I didn't even really realize it. It didn't dawn on me. It just became my norm. And then anyhow, so I had to end up taking leave mid-July, and it's October 4th, and I'm still not able to go back to the office, so I just do work out of my house. And then What else? What else? Yeah, so that we did that yesterday. Today we left, and I felt fine, but I realized yesterday, sorry, I felt fine at the end of yesterday, but I also was pacing myself. I wasn't overdoing it. Yeah, so I was fine. So today we left at, well, my son and I were ready to leave by around 9:30, something like that. And my daughter came to pick us up because it was the three of us going on a road trip together. And we got to, it's a 5-hour trip from our current home to so yeah, anyhow, generally, even before I had chronic fatigue syndrome, traveling just wore me out. Yes, I have a little pooch here. Chronic fatigue is not fun. It makes me extremely tired so quickly. And come here, little one. And I just, yeah, I can't push myself anymore, which is kind of sad because that was one thing that I used to think that was okay for me to do, was to push myself, and I did it very often. But now with this, maybe you can see, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not as smiley. When I get this exhausted, I can't smile that well, which I have to force myself to smile, and which is not a bad thing, but at the same time, it's not natural. I have another video up before this one where I wasn't feeling quite as exhausted, so you could tell. Come Sunday, or even tomorrow night on the way home, I'm gonna be exhausted because I can't, what can't I do? I can't remember anything. Yep, so I'm just exhausted, just very, very tired. So anyhow, I'm just gonna close this now. I don't forget to stop and wait for the, wait for the shout outs at the end of the clip. Thank you for joining me today, and let me know what you think I should do one about. Last time I did a video, about, come here. Ugh. I did a video, there we can see him too. I did a video about 5 things that I quit after turning 50. I might do 5 things that I didn't quit after turning 50. I don't know. What else should I do? There's other ones out there. So anyhow, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and what else? Oh, and go all the way to the end to see the shoutouts. Take care. See you next time. And then, yeah, tomorrow, I'm just going crazy because I'm tired. Okay, goodbye. This is how the little one tells me that he's hungry. He smells the pizza that we just got. Oh, what's wrong, Joey? Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, you want pizza? Do you want pizza?